In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove space between table and text in Microsoft Word. If you've ever built a table in Word, you already know the frustration of having a giant, awkward blank gap right between your table borders and your body text. No matter how many times you hit backspace or try to drag the text off Word, the layout refuses to budge. And I'll show you the two hidden system properties you need to tweak to eliminate this dead space instantly. The primary reason Word forces a massive gap around your data grid is because of how it handles text wrapping. Word often defaults to wrapping text as a boundary box instead of inline element. To fix this, hover your mouse over the table and click the small crosshair icon that appears at the top left corner to highlight the entire grid. You do it like this. Press here, and now right-click anywhere on the highlighted table and select Table Properties right here from the context menu. A multi-tab window panel will open up. Make sure you are on the Table tab, the first one, and then look down at the text wrapping section and change the selection from Around to None. The second you hit OK, your text will natively snap tightly against the bottom border of your table grid without any artificial layout padding. If you still see the gap after fixing the wrapping rules, the issue is caused by paragraph spacing code assigned to the text lines. Once again, highlight the text paragraph sitting directly above or below your table grid and switch over to your Home tab ribbon. Look inside the paragraph group block and click the tiny dialog launcher arrow, which is right over here in the bottom right corner. In the spacing section of the properties box, ensure both the before and after spacing values are manually set to 0. In my case, I have 8, so set this to 0. Also make your line spacing drop down, read single, single, and then click OK. If a tiny sliver of space still remains, you can click the Show and Hide symbol on your Home tab to unhide hidden formatting tokens, delete any empty paragraphs, and that's basically it. And with those boundary parameters zeroed out, your document will look compact, clean, and perfectly balanced. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.